in our Series 30 range. This dual SIM version of the X100 is no run-of-the-mill device. The X101 allows users to personalize their dual SIM experience. They can give each SIM card a name, they can assign a logo, or they can even have a dedicated MP3 ringtone for each SIM, even from the memory card. But listen to this. The Nokia X101 is also a full-on party, ready to go right out of your pocket. You can carry your entire music collection on it, thousands of songs, because the X101 supports up to 16 gigabytes of memory. And you can play your songs on one of the loudest and clearest speakers that Nokia has ever produced. And with a battery that lasts up to 36 hours, it has the stamina to play throughout tonight's party and still be going strong tomorrow night. For the Nokia X101 and others in its price class, we also offer services such as Nokia Life Tools. Nokia Life Tools are designed for people who aren't yet on the web, and they offer hyper-local agricultural, education, entertainment, and healthcare services via SMS for our Series 30 and Series 40 devices. As of last week, more than 22 million people have experienced Nokia Life Tools in India, Indonesia, Nigeria, and China. And we've recently introduced Nokia Listings, which is an SMS-based buy and selling tool. So if you think about it, that's a lot of performance, entertainment, and enrichment in the X101, which is retailing for about 35 euros. But our dual SIM story gets even stronger, and I'm pleased to share that we are now shipping the C2-03. This is a phone that's great for accessing the internet, and it supports memory cards of up to 32 gigabytes, the most in its price class. So that's a lot of songs, photos, and videos to share and store, and definitely a lot of value for money. But our portfolio isn't done yet. As I said, we're now debuting our third dual SIM product, which is the C2-03. Very catchy names here. C2-03 is a phone that packs the best combination of fun and functionality at its price point, along with a range of great, tailored services for a rich and unified consumer experience. This device is not only our latest dual SIM phone, it also features the touch and type interface, which we believe is ideal for messaging and social networking. This device has the Easy Swap feature. So whatever your reason for needing a dual SIM, where you're looking for the best connectivity, to save money while roaming, or you want to share a device with a loved one, the Easy Swap feature makes it fast and simple to swap out the SIM cards. And hey, people that roam so much that they're juggling 4 and 5 SIM cards, often changing these on a fast-moving trade, really need this swap to be fast and easy. So the way this is designed, the C2-03 has the first SIM inside the phone, and the second SIM goes in through a slot on the side for very easy access. So I'm going to show you how this works. So I've got here the C3. Did we get this? Okay. And you can see it on the home screen. I've got 2 SIMs active here. And the way I have it set up, I've got my US SIM inside the phone, and I've just come from Finland, so I've got my Finnish SIM in the side here. So I'm going to go here and open up the slot, pull out my Finnish SIM, and I have a Singapore SIM that I want to use while I'm here. So I'm going to insert my Singapore SIM. And it's really that easy to swap out the SIMs. Now, typically on a competitor's device, what you'd have to do is rip off the back cover, remove the battery, open the SIM holder, replace the SIM, reverse the process, power the device back on, reset the date and time. You get the picture. It's neither fast nor easy. But here, you can see that I've inserted the SIM card, and it remembers that I've set up the Singapore SIM as my preferred one for calls and data while I'm here. So I've got the Singapore SIM. I'll go to the SIM manager and show you. and it reflects that I've got my US AT&T SIM card as the one inside the device, and then the Singapore one as the one I've just inserted to use while I'm traveling here. So very simple, very easy. But in addition to all these capabilities, the C2-03 delivers much more functionality. In fact, it takes the mobile phone experience to a new level with integrated services. And the first of these is the Nokia browser, which comes standard on the C2-03. This browser makes it easier, faster, and more affordable than ever before to access the internet and to use popular services like search and Facebook. It uses cloud technology to lighten the load on the network, compressing data by up to 90% before it reaches the phone, so that the experience is faster for the consumer and also costs them less in data charges. It works by bringing local apps and content to the browser start screen. And customized local start pages help guide new users through their first internet experience, while still allowing more experienced web users to customize their web experience with the apps and content that they want to see. And they're able to do this very quickly and easily. Also part of the Nokia web experience are web apps, which optimize content for viewing on the mobile phone to offer a fluid, engaging experience that's much better than traditional static mobile web pages. We've preloaded many web apps on the device, and they'll launch automatically from the browser start page. Web apps are going to make it easier for millions of new Series 40 customers to discover and enjoy the internet, while more advanced users can find rich content and applications in the Nokia store. In addition to the C2-03, this browser will be loaded on new Nokia devices going forward, and it will be supported by in-market Nokia Series 40 devices that support this capability. We believe the Nokia browser is also a great story for our operator partners as well. The high data compression delivers significant network bandwidth savings over the standard mobile internet. There are no operator licensing fees for the browser, and it supports 87 languages. It's good news for developers as well. The Series 40 is already the world's largest mobile platform by volume, with literally hundreds of millions of phones in the market today. And we will provide tools for developers to create interesting and innovative web applications that allow people to bring more innovation and appeal to the Series 40 platform. These tools include things like a full-featured web development environment with templates, libraries, sample code, and a simulator to see how your application would work. Not to mention training and support from Forum Nokia. Web apps are quick to create and are based on standard technologies and familiar web development tools. Web development tools provide a one-stop shop for developers that need to get started. And we estimate it would take a team of 2 less than a week to create a web app from an existing mobile website. So pretty fast to get up and running. Content owners are going to love the web app capability as well, because they make content much more engaging for Series 40 device users. And more engaged consumers will browse more often and spend much more time online than ever before. But I'm not finished yet. There's even more to the C2-03 story. With this new device, we're bringing maps and location capabilities to Series 40. C2-03 users can discover new places and share them with others. And when they find that perfect cafe, Nokia Maps will show them how to get there. And this works offline, so there's no data cost. Nokia Maps for Series 40 is an out-of-the-box experience providing locally relevant content and maps shipped with the device. There's no download or installation needed because it comes with the device. It uses cell tower positioning, not a GPS, so there's no data connection required as well. So it's a very easy-to-use home screen that provides one-touch access to all the map capability. We believe we've truly optimized the location experience at an affordable price point, something no one else has done, and now we're introducing it on the Nokia C2-03. We'll also provide Nokia Maps for Series 40 on new Series 40 devices going forward. So the Nokia C2-03 brings all the benefits of the touch and type interface, Dualsim easy swap capabilities, a great internet experience with the Nokia browser, and a new dimension of fun and exploration with Nokia Maps for Series 40. But let's look at what a few Nokia users from around the world have to say about their first look at the Nokia C2-03.
Introducing the Nokia C2-03 Dual SIM. Phone calls, text messaging, and your favorite social networking sites have never been easier. Explore the world around you with Nokia Maps for Series 40, preloaded on your phone, right out of the box, and always ready to go. Discover new places and search for things around you. You can use Nokia Maps to plan your route, find the best way home, or take a detour to an interesting new place. Then share it with friends and loved ones using a simple SMS. The Nokia browser moves as fast as you do. It compresses web pages by up to 90%, meaning less data to download and sites that load faster onto your phone. And only Nokia Browser has a local start page to help you find the best sites so you can experience more of the internet, faster, easier, and at less cost. And with web apps, the internet is optimized for your phone, so you can access and navigate content in a beautifully clear and simple way. Nokia C2-03 Dual SIM with messaging, social networks, maps and browsing. The Series 40 phone that brings it all together for you.
In addition to the C2-03, we'll also offer a single SIM version of the device, cleverly named the C2-02, that has all the same great features that I've just described to you. So at Nokia, we're excited and very committed to delivering on our next billion strategy. Each of our modern, stylish new devices brings its own unique value proposition to the consumer. And our services add real value for first-time users as well as for more experienced users by making access to the web and information a reality. And because the next billion is rapidly becoming the now billion, we're delivering faster than ever. Thanks very much.